I got to get your take. What do you think is happening in the futures? Is all this related to the court ruling blocking the reciprocal tariffs? Or how much do you think might be Nvidia? Of course, Nvidia and all the Mag 7 stocks are about a third of the market as well.
I think it's a little bit of everything, right? I mean, Nvidia is 6% of the S&P 500, and the numbers were a sigh of relief. And the fact that data center guide is 15% sequential for the next quarter, also really strong, and there's momentum there. But I also think, obviously, getting more clarity on tariffs, one way or the other, is certainly another sigh of relief. But at the end of the day, Frank, it's the economy. The Atlanta Fed tracker is running at 2.4% growth. So we don't really look at it as the absolute number, but it's something around 1.5%, 2%. It's certainly not recession. And so that's why my word of the day is checkmark. I couldn't use V-shaped recovery, but we're seeing a V-shaped recovery in the markets because the economy has remained strong.
Yeah, we appreciate you working with us. It's not phrase of the day, it's word of the day. Earlier, we had Torsten Slot from Apollo on. He says if this ruling sticks, and with what we know today, he sees inflation not quite as elevated as the estimates have it right now. If inflation's a bit cooler than the estimates were forecasting with the idea that we were going to have these tariffs in place, what parts of the market do you feel more confident about, or do you see as more investable?
Well, and certainly we get a big number on Friday, core PCE, and I think that number is going to come in around 2.2%, so that's a good thing. I still like technology, certainly on AI and Nvidia, but I like the infrastructure plays as a way to play data center, grid, power. And you and I have talked for over 2 years about Eaton, Quanta Services, GE Vernova, Rockwell Automation. Okay. I own all of them.
And you also own
I want to be overweight that sector.